Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts, shall we? Well, Bitcoin looks like it's got a double top happening and some more unhealthy information that tells us that, hey, something might be going on, that the bears might have a chance here to get something to eat. So we're going to talk about that and more in today's episode, how to trade it, how we're going to look at trading this, and also what's going on with Ethereum. So if you want to check that out, make sure you watch all the way to the end, because we got some juicy stuff for you, man. Some juicy stuff that you need to watch out for, because man, if you're looking to buy some Bitcoin, right? Maybe you can get some on a cheap and a short while. Same with some Ethereum. We're going to find out in today's episode, and we're going to talk about a little bit about the dominance, the Bitcoin dominance, to see if how well the little lady is going, right? And how long she's going to last in this next season. How long is it going to last before she turns around on her? And let's see. We're gonna talk about that. We're gonna find out if the little lady should dump everything sometime soon. All right. Well, if you're interested in trading this information, you can do so by heading over to bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com. Or if you want to join us, right, and check out what we're trading, you can do so by heading over to davincij15.com and join us. And speaking about joining us, right, and watching us trade, before you do, right, remember, this is not financial advice. This is trading entertainment, so please do your own research before putting any money into the market. And before we go on to talking about what's going on in the market here, let's point out some amazing trades that Lee has done in the last little while. That's really been, awesome. This is gonna be links in the description below, so you can head over there and join our Telegram group or public group. You can see there's some serious wins here and here and here and here. So make sure you join us by heading over to www.davincij15.com and subscribe today and just pay in Bitcoin. That's it. I've been asked a question actually several times. How do I subscribe to my videos on YouTube? And so I need to play this to let people know how to subscribe. It's just that little button, right? You hit subscribe, then you hit the all, right? And then if you want, you can leave a little comment to help us out. So once again, right? It's real simple, right? You hit the subscribe button. It's right there. It's really red. And then you hit the all, right? And then just leave a comment. Thanks. All right, let's get on with it. You can see right here. Let's start off with the AB equals CD, right? This AB equals CD is a legitimate one. And it indicates, right, because we didn't break this low here. So it indicates that this is a reversal zone. So it's called a point of reversal, right? And so potential point of reversal. And you can see, since it's in a bunch of resistance levels as well, right? You can see all these resistance points here from way back when, and this now becomes a resistance point as well. This indicates that Bitcoin is going to may head in a downwards direction. Well, we have enough indications that Bitcoin is going to roll over here. You can see that also the price action has gone sideways, rolled up and gone sideways, and we've double topped here as well. So this is clear signals that everything we have, let's see here, how many signals is that? Well, this is a double top, also the M pattern, right? So we can call this an M or double top or whatever you want to do, right? That's fine. We also have, right, resistance levels. We also have AB equals CD, which is a point of reversal. What more do you need to tell you? Yeah, this is bearish. Right? Do you need another M maybe? Right? You need another M, right? No, okay, no. I think you've got enough here. So again, so let's look for a trade on this, right? This doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't do this. Just keep in mind, and then back down again. So just keep that in mind when you're trading, because it loves to do that. Price action loves to do that. So what I would do here, I would say we should be in a reversal zone right now if we just do a fib level from here to from the last low, swing low, which is 45,000. I'm going to zoom in. 45,260 to the swing high, which is 48,200 approximately. And so we can see that the 61.8 is where we're at right now. And this should be the most likely target for this move upwards, just to psych everybody out, to think to suck in the final bulls into the market, because this is what the market does, right? It sucks in, right, the bulls whenever it can. However, going down to the 15-minute, we can see there is a little bit of a W pattern, so we might have some more upside to go before this thing reverses. So we're talking about, let's just see here. If we do a measured move from this point to the bottom here, and then we take that, we can see if this thing could do, it's going to bring us right back to the top here. So this is kind of nerve-wracking. This kind of a bear move, jumping on a bearish trade here. I would reduce your risk to less than a couple percent, so you can actually add to it on the way up, and just somewhere extra, like maybe 2% above the over top, the local top, is where you want to like start your walk away from this trade, right? So let's just say if we want to take the short, 2% of the local top is what the maximum we should short this thing by and walk away. So let's just say 2% is what here? What? That's crazy high. Yeah, 2%. Yeah, there you go. Don't see it reversing if we continue above that and head to a close up here, way up here. So yeah, we should be rolling around at best, roll around here if it wants to do that, where it pushes up and then dies. So that's a possibility in the next little while. Finally, make sure that you only take a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio here. Right, so you might have to, this might be lower depending on what your average buy-in is, so make sure that it's a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio once you come back down and you take profits, because honestly, the trend is a bullish trend, and you don't want to be caught with your pants down in a bear trap, right? Because that can easily happen, because I'm telling you, right, this could go up, come back down, and come down and go, psych, I'd rather wear Nike and straight to the moon. Very easily. So don't get yourselves trapped on any kind of bearish trade. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum. And before we do, right, if you are interested in any of our referral links, right, make sure that you own some DJ15 tokens, because if you do, right, 12.5% of that goes towards buying up the DJ15 tokens. So it's 12.5% of my revenue that I earn on YouTube goes to buy up the DJ15 tokens, and burn. And they get burned, and they're permanently gone. And so that helps increase the value of the DJ15 token. So might as well, use my referral links. Join in and earn some money back. Because if you use other people's referral links, it's all their money. Nothing's coming back to you. So yeah, that's the advantage of my referral links. Alrighty. Let's head over to Ethereum. Wow. Well, let's see here. Ethereum. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go over to the spot chart here. We're going to zoom in here. It looks like Ethereum, like it is like nasty. It just wants to make things real difficult for any long buyers, and I think we might be rolling over here because, as you can see, we're still haven't broken out from the RSI dumping down, the volume dumping down, right? So this, and yeah, even the MACD is like, yeah, I'm tired. So we have to expect some sort of bearish move on Ethereum, but you have to be very careful. Ethereum can like surprise the heck out of you very easily. You can see also there's a nice big juicy W here. Not the greatest W's, but you know, that's good enough, right? You can say from the candle body that if break of this candle body up here at the $3,300 level, that's $3,300. And we break above this. What is this? There could be like a trend here. No, I'm not gonna count that. No, I'm taking that off. I don't like that. It's too far off. But a break above, this could mean that this could take off right up here. So we could see it take off and hit the top of this trend channel. This one, okay, yes, before it actually rolls over. And we may not see the highs of 4,000 just yet, but right, we'll just wait and see, because Ethereum loves to surprise. We could break above this, and then 4,000 would be just like a cakewalk at that point. Especially if we see the RSI break here. If we break higher on the 4 hour, boom, it's off to the races. So let's just see how it closes out. Unfortunately, this is going to be a lagging indicator. We're going to miss. It's going to actually break out before you actually even get in a trade. So the only trade you can probably make is on this big W here that's happening. We can see, let me just zoom in a little bit on the 15-minute, hide the rest of the data here. You can see there's a W. Actually, look at that. We just jumped off from a nice W here, and we just like we did on Bitcoin. And yeah, it's targeting to break out to the next W. So let's just zoom in. Let me just organize this a little bit better. There, you can see that W nice and clear here. Down, up, down, up. All right, there we go. We're broke out. Let's take a look at the target for this W, and it probably is going to create the next W, hit the next W target as well. So that's always a positive for Ethereum. And yes, there you go. We can see we are right above at the next W. So if we go down to the hourly, maybe we can see it a little bit clearer. Yes, there you go, right here. Let's draw it out. Let's draw it out for the people who can't see it. Right here, not the best W, but it is there, a bigger W. And if we break above it, right, you can wait for this absolute top, which is the $3,340, or you can just, you know, risk it at the $3,300 level-ish area, where you can see there's a lot of traffic here. And if we break it, oh man, this could explode higher into a breakout, even bigger breakout. We're just gonna wait and see. So if you want to take that trade, there it is, right? You would basically short it to go long. Oops, not short, go long on Ethereum right here, right about there. Take it. We're gonna say this would be the stop loss. That would be the safest stop loss to do, right? But that's not the best way to make profits. You can see the target profit objective is right at the top of that trend line there. So good chance that that's where we're headed, right? And so we're gonna, cut this in half and say, okay, well, I'm going to get a stop loss at a 2-to-1, so I can get a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio on this trade. And there you have it. That's your trade for Ethereum. Okay, let's take a look at the dominance for today, and you can see the dominance, headed for its target. It's headed for this M target, which is great, right? I think the M target might be a reversal zone. Most likely, the lows will be a reversal zone. These lows, let me just put down at 40% exactly, right here, 40% exactly. Also a 42% area. We're going to see a little bit of traffic here before we continue downwards. If that's the direction, we're going to have to wait and see if it gets reversed. This is generally the end of the season. The summer season ends the alt season, unfortunately, and we'll have to wait and see before I can call it a winter is coming on the alts. Generally we have a massive winter shortly after September on alts. So let's I'm not calling it yet, but just be prepared for that. It's a possibility, and when that winter comes, it's generally pretty brutal. So be prepared for that winter that may be coming. But for now, we're going to enjoy the summer. We're going to smile and bask in the glow of all these beautiful, beautiful alts rising, priced in real money, Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.